Hello everyone, we the student of BPEd first semester is presenting a lesson plan. Our team consists of 5 members. They are Pranjal, Ankit, Anubhav, Kamal and Dheeraj. Before starting the lesson plan, let's understand what a lesson plan is all about.
Lesson plan is the instructor roadmap of what student need to learn and how it will be done effectively during the class.
So now let's jump into our lesson plan. Before starting the lesson plan, first student teacher will approach to the teacher HOI for permission. Let's see.
Class, stand it is. Class, attention. Dheeraj, take charge. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I am Ankit of BPEd first semester. Today I am enacting as a student teacher. I have created a lesson plan and my lesson plan is divided into 4 parts. Introduction, main part, recreational, conclusion. Sir, may I start my lesson plan?
Okay, you can go ahead.
Let's start with the warm-up part. Before that, let's understand what a warm-up is and what are the benefits. So warm-up is a preparation for physical exertion or a performance by exercising or practicing. Gently beforehand, usually undertaken before a performance or practice. A warm-up generally consists of a gradual increase in intensity in physical activity, joint mobility exercise and stretching. The key benefits are to prepare the body and mind for work on physical activity, to minimize the chance of injury, increase heart rate, blood flow, core and muscle temperature, increase speed of contraction and relaxation of warm muscles, facilitated nerve transmission and muscle metabolism at high temperature, increase flexibility. In main part, the student teacher will perform 4 exercises, initially with bipart method and continuous method, and after this student follow up. Command for me, demonstration for you. Exercise number 1, bipart begin. On count 1, hand straight at shoulder level parallel to ground. Simultaneously, your right leg would be forward. On count 2, bring the wand closer to your chest. No leg movement will be there. On count 3, repeat same as count 1. On count 4, back to attention position. Command for me, demonstration for you. Exercise number 1, continuously begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Command for you, demonstration for me. Exercise number 1, bipart begin.
1, 2, 3, 4.
As we can see that the student has doubt while performing the exercise. So the student teacher will clarify the doubt raised by the student. Command for you, demonstration for me. Exercise number 1, continuously begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Command for me, demonstration for you. Exercise number 2, bipart begin.
1,
On count 1, raise arm at shoulder level parallel to the ground.
2,
On count 2, raise your arm above your head. On count 3, repeat same as count 1.
Go.
On count 4, back to attention position. Command for me, demonstration for you, exercise number 2, continuously begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Command for you, demonstration for me, exercise number 2, by part, begin.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Command for you, demonstration for me, exercise number 2, continuously begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Let's begin with exercise number 3. So command for me, demonstration for you, exercise number 3, by part, begin.
1,
Count 1 with a jump, feet apart, hands straight at shoulder level, parallel to ground.
2,
With a jump, feet back at initial position and hand extended above the head.
3,
On count 3, repeat same as count 1.
4.
On count 4, back to attention position. Command for me, demonstration for you, exercise number 3, continuously begin.
1, 2, 3, 4. Have button play. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Command for you, demonstration for me, exercise number 3, by part, begin.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Command for you, demonstration for me, exercise number 3, continuously begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Let's begin with the last exercise. So class, command for me, demonstration for you, exercise number 4, by part, begin.
1,
On count 1, jump and make feet apart simultaneously, raise arm upward toward the sky.
2,
On count 2, squat down until your thigh becomes parallel to the ground.
3,
On count 3, repeat same as count 1.
4.
On count 4, back to attention position. Command for me, demonstration for you, exercise number 4, continuously begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Command for you, demonstration for me, exercise number 4, by part, begin.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Command for you, demonstration for me, exercise number 4, continuously begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Before proceeding to our next activity, let's understand what is recreational activity.
Recreational is an activity where people engage themselves in fun game. It is a refreshment of strength and spirit after work. So here we have arranged one small recreational game. The game is called Zigzag Dribble Relay. There are two teams, each having two players. On the command of start, the first member of each team will start dribbling while zigzag running. They will reach the touch point and return back to initial position and pass the ball to second player of their team. They will repeat the same relay and the member who reached early to initial position is the winner of the game.
Class attention. On my word of command dismiss, turn to your right and say loudly, Jai Hind. Class, dismiss.